If your YouTube app icon is not showing in your Android phone, then this is for you. Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and let's get to the video without any delay. If you are not able to find your YouTube icon in your phone, then you have probably disabled it. So to fix this, all you need to do is go to settings. Now, once you're in settings, go to app settings. Here, search for YouTube. Now here you will see a enable option. Here you will see an enable option at the bottom or wherever your phone has. Just click on enable and wait for a few seconds and go back. Now again, in app settings, click on the three dots at the top right corner and click on reset app preferences. And that's it. Hopefully this will fix your problem, and thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.